Hello everyone, I am Rusha Mukherjee, a student of Surendranath Law College, presently interning at LEXIS and Company. Today I am going to discuss about the triple talaq judgment decided by the Supreme Court. Think of a situation where we do something completely without a reason. Does that have any good impact on us or our society? No, it doesn't. It always have an impact that is completely harmful for us. For example, the sati practice that was there for many years. It could be banned only after Ram Mohan Roy pointed out that it was not being affiliated or sponsored or even encouraged by any of the Hindu scriptures or Hindu personal laws. Also another instance is the untouchability that was banned only after 1955. All these practices did not have any rational basis, but still it was practiced. Similarly, another provision was the triple talaq or the instant triple talaq that was challenged before the Supreme Court by Shayaro. In this present case, the Supreme Court declared the instant triple talaq to be unconstitutional. Before we get into the case, we have to understand the ways of dissolution of marriage in Muslim law. It can be done by 4 ways: by the husband, by the wife, by mutual consent, or by judicial means. For this case, we will concentrate only on the dissolution of marriage by husband. It can be done by 2 ways: talaq-e-sunnat and talaq-e-biddat. Sunnat means that is traditional, that is being carried on traditionally, while biddat means something that is innovated or added later. Talaq-e-sunnat is of 2 types: talaq-e-hasan and talaq-e-ahasan. Talaq-e-hasan is the most purest form of talaq. Here, the husband pronounces talaq only once and then observes a period of 90 days in the period. And within the 90 days, if the husband and the wife is able to reconcile, then the talaq can be revoked. On the other hand, in talaq-e-ahasan, the husband will announce talaq 3 times, subsequently after every 1 month, not at one go. In this case also, the husband gets a period of 90 days, and if they reconcile, the divorce can be revoked. But in case of talaq-e-biddat that was added later on, any person, any husband can write or say or actually give divorce to his wife by telling or messaging or WhatsApping or mailing talaq 3 times, and that divorce or that talaq is full and final and cannot be revoked. Shayaro and Rizwan Ahmed were married for 15 years, and in 2016, Rizwan Ahmed gave talaq-e-biddat or instant triple talaq to his wife. She challenged 3 practices of Islam. The first was the instant triple talaq, second was the nikah halala, and the last one was polygamy. That was the men in Muslim law could marry more than once. In February 2017, a 5-bench judge were there in the Supreme Court to hear the case. The judges were Chief Justice Jagdish Khekar, Justice Nazir, Justice Kurian Joseph, Justice Rohinton Nariman, Justice Lalit, and then the petitioners and the respondent. The petitioner was Shayaro, while in the respondent, along with the Union of India, we could find the Ministry of Law and Justice, the Ministry of Women and Child Development, the Ministry Affairs, Minority Affairs, and then the National Commission of Women, and at last the All India Muslim Personal Board. From all of them, the Supreme Court wanted the written statements. The All India Muslim Personal Board told in the written statement that it was completely a religious issue and the Supreme Court should not intervene in it. The Supreme Court cannot declare this practice as unconstitutional. Taking all the written statements into Constitution, Supreme Court formulated two issues. First, whether instant triple talaq was an essential part of Muslim personal law. Second, whether it violated the fundamental rights provisions. According to the Justice Nazir and Chief Justice Jagdish, the Supreme Court should not interfere. Secondly, it was an essential part of Muslim personal law and it was protected under Article 25 of the Indian Constitution. Thirdly, the judiciary should not interfere on it and the parliament should take a call. And they wanted to ban this practice for a period of 6 months and then the parliament would decide whether it is to be practiced or should be made illegal. However, Justice Nariman and Justice Lalit told that all the laws, even the personal laws, should be in consistency with the fundamental rights. Though Article 13 cannot interfere into the personal laws, but this case was not challenged under Article 13. It was challenged under Article 14, 15, 21 and 25. And Article 14 says if anything is found arbitrary, then the Supreme Court can declare it unconstitutional, and instant triple talaq was completely arbitrary. Why? Because it violated the rights of women. And at last, the fifth judge, Justice Kurian Joseph, thought this practice to be un-Islamic and not an essential part of Muslim personal laws because it lacked the scope of arbitration and reconciliation. And hence, due to the majority decision of the 3 judges, the instant triple talaq was declared illegal by the Supreme Court. Now we are going to see what are the various stages of development seen by the talaq. In August 2017, the Supreme Court declared triple talaq to be unconstitutional. However, in spite of that, repeated instances of triple talaq was being seen, and hence the Parliament was asked to make a law regarding that. In December 2017, the Lok Sabha passed the Muslim bill, but it lapsed in the Rajya Sabha. And then an ordinance was made in September 2018. And finally, in July 2019, the act was passed and it got the consent of the President as well. So, the crux of whatever happened regarding triple talaq from 2016 to 2019 was that the Supreme Court declared it as unconstitutional while the Parliament made it a cognizable offence and it was punishable up till 3 years. This is what the Supreme Court and the Parliament thinks about. But what do you think? Should it be made a criminal offence and made punishable, or it should be made a civil offence? Should the instant triple talaq be made a criminal offence, or we should spread awareness among people and make it only a civil offence? What do you think? Let me know in the comment box. And that's all for today. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you.